right, this is the part of winter we get to enjoy. The shoveling and the plowing, for the most part, is behind us. We have a little window here to
I
go
thought you
do
were saying
things.
the shoveling was the part we get to enjoy.
Well, for some people,
It's like,
maybe.
Might have been a few people.
Yeah.
Most people probably
Most people,
not.
it's a chore.
Yeah, to your point, at least for most people, cleanups are done. But there was enough snow that I think some people will be hauling some of it away.
Oh, we'll
Yeah.
have to. We're at that
Some of
point
the big
already.
snowbanks. And you better hope we don't get what comes on Sunday because between now and then, we're not melting at all. Some of the snow will settle and compact a little bit, but if we do get some snow on Sunday, we'll be looking at some big piles out there. 15 right now in Portland, 11 in Bangor, single numbers up north. A lot of clouds out there now, and there could be a spotty flurry, but there hasn't been much locally, a little bit more down to our south. High pressure is way to our west, but it eases east and will bring us a few quiet days. Just going to be cold. Nothing like we had over the weekend, but colder than normal for sure. Overnight, we start with the cloud cover, but we tend to clear out by morning. Faster we clear out, better chance we drop below zero first thing in the morning, so it's a cold start. Sunshine through the day tomorrow, not much wind, few clouds bubbling up in the afternoon, but we get to about 20 in Bangor, 22 in Portland, and teens up north tomorrow. Only a 5 to 10 mile per hour wind though, so not so bad. Thursday, pretty similar, a little bit more cloud cover. We'll have highs in the low 20s south and teens off to the north. So we are stuck in the cold part of the jet stream through the end of the week. And then over the weekend, this digs to the south and a big cutoff low forms here. This is a signal to me that a storm is going to form. That's not the question at this point. The question is, where does it go? And we're still about 5 days away from this getting up to our latitude. If it takes a track more to the east, a lot of the precipitation, the snow, stays offshore. And that is a possibility. We may not get much out of this. However, we have seen so many times over the last month, in the last 2 or 3 days leading up to the storm, it trends a little bit more to the northwest. So we can't close the door on that yet, that we get more of a hit with snow near the coastline and in eastern Maine especially. We just have to watch it at this point. Hopefully tomorrow, and then certainly on Thursday, we have a much better focus on the exact track. This also has my attention because it will be a strong storm. It will be a nor'easter. Unlike the last storm, which technically was a nor'easter, but didn't really behave like one. There wasn't much wind. There weren't any coastal concerns. There are coastal concerns this time because the tides are astronomically high over the weekend. Sunday morning and Monday morning are the highest tides of the stretch. So even if this just misses, we could still have some minor coastal issues and a gusty northeast wind because it'll be such a powerful low. So we've got to keep an eye on it. It's not a guarantee we get affected by it, but it's something that is a little bit more concerning looking than the last storm. 3 to 5 foot seas, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots out there tomorrow. Sunshine tomorrow, highs near 20, partly sunny on Thursday, colder with a few flurries on Friday. Right now, Saturday looks sunny and dry, and I know that it might strike people as a little odd that I just said this storm could be more concerning than the one we just had because some places got 2 feet of snow. To me, it's all the other elements, the coastal concerns, the possibility for wind too. So we just have to keep tabs on that. Hopefully it stays offshore, but if it were to hit, it's a big one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ryan.